Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to withdraw money from the Forex Royale app to a bank account. Alright, so let's begin with the video. You might be wondering, how do you withdraw money from your Forex Royale app or account? So this one, we need to discuss a few things before we actually get into this. First things first, what is Forex Royale? So Forex Royale, when you actually visit the official website or the Google Play Store page, as you can see, it's going to give us the description here that this is an educational app that you could use for learning how to trade. So this is a trading simulator. What it means is that it only simulates what you could do with trading. So this is a financial education app, which means it's not using actual currency. So with that said, you don't have the option to cash out whatever you have on the app itself. Again, this is a trading simulator app, so if you bought something within the app itself, you won't be able to cash that out. Just to see an example, I'm going to open up Forex Royale here. And when we go to the home page and go to the top left of your screen and click on the balance option, as you can see, we don't have the option to cash them out. Now, although we have the option to go to the shop here and buy coins or earn cash, in this case, you'll be using actual money for this one. But then again, you won't have the option to cash them out, because again, it is a trading simulator app, so it's built for educational purposes. So, if you want to spend on your account here, you won't be able to cash them out sometime in the future. But yeah, we don't want to spread misinformation out there. We just want to show what you can actually do within the app and what the app actually is. So that's basically how you can withdraw money from the Forex Royale app to a bank account. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.